What's good, and welcome back to Investing with Jack. So we're going to go over BitTorrent, guys. We've had a bit of recovery with Bitcoin, so we're going to go over the technical analysis for BTT as well as for Bitcoin and a little bit of announcements on their Twitter. So we're up 22% on the day, a little bit of a double bottom. We'll get into that. You can see it right here. And we're down 22% on the 7 day. So we're sitting at a $2.97 billion market cap. And the 24-hour volume is 915 million. So let's hop over to the Twitter. So we can see here buying every dip when everyone else is panic selling. And then 4 hours ago, they have some updates for their BitTorrent filing system, improve the fairness of the whole network contract acquisition, as well as optimize service architecture to cope with the rapid growth of nodes. All right, guys. And then down here, we have Justin Sun buying up some Bitcoin, just bought 4,145 Bitcoin, and he just bought 54,000 ETH. So our friend Justin Sun is buying the dip. All right, guys. So let's get into this technical analysis. So we're here on the 1 hour chart, guys, and you can see we have our double bottom right here, W pattern, which is a sign of a reversal. And we've broken out of our neckline here, which is a great sign, guys. So we can see a little juicy trade here right out of our neckline. Could bring us right up here to about 0.0051, guys, for our friend BitTorrent. So beautiful to see that recovery here with BitTorrent. So what I'm hoping is we make it up here to about 0.0051. As we have broken out of this double bottom, and we're back above the 20 EMA on the hourly, which is bullish, guys. So what we want to see is the 20 comes over the 50 and we can head up to that 0.005 price target. So let's put it onto the 4 hour chart. So we're here on the 4 hour chart, guys. Now we had a pretty strong level of support. You can see here previous level of resistance, and now we found it at support, and we're starting to trend back upwards. So hopefully what we want to see is we come back above these EMAs, because if we start hitting resistance, guys, on the EMA and we keep hitting it as resistance, then we can roll over and even create a double bottom here on the hourly chart, or sorry, guys, on the 4 hour chart. As you can see here, you have your W pattern, and that would bring us back, and that would bring us back down here to about 0.0038 was our bottom if that were to take place, if we were to hit resistance, guys. So look for us on the 4 hour chart to break through the 20 EMA and head towards that 0.005 price target here for BitTorrent. So we're here on the 1 day chart, guys, and you can see we came right down to find support on the 200 EMA, this red line here. So hopefully this is our bottom, guys, of course, depending on Bitcoin, but we're going to look at Bitcoin as well. So we can see we're about to form the bearish cross of the 20 over the 50. We don't want to see that, guys. We want to see enough buying action that the yellow line will come back above the blue line, the 55, because it's bearish to have that cross. It would show us that we're in a downtrend and the price is being pushed downwards if Bitcoin were to correct further, but we'll get into that. So let's look at BitTorrent on the 1 week here. So we can see here on the 1 week chart that we've come right down to the 20 EMA and found support. So we really want to hold this support of the 20 EMA, guys, and consolidate before we start trending back upwards for our friend BitTorrent. So let's quickly pop into Bitcoin, and then we'll give some short-term price targets for BitTorrent. So you can see here on Bitcoin, guys, the same thing, double bottom, and we've broken out of our neckline, which gives us a nice little juicy gain right up to that price target here of about 43,271. You can see we are heading towards that right now on the hourly chart here for Bitcoin. So let's put Bitcoin onto the 4 hour. So we're here on the 4 hour chart, guys, and we need to come back above these EMAs, the 20 EMA, and use it as support to show that we continue to trend downwards, because if we hit it as resistance and we come back down, we can come back down and find support at 36,633 if we were to hit resistance here. So let's kind of zoom out and see what's going on with Bitcoin. Yeah, so you can see here on the 1 day, we need to get back above the 200 EMA because if we hit it as resistance, we could continue to roll over. Now, we did have that red candle wick that brought us all the way back down to about 29,000. So what we're hoping to see is we consolidate a little bit and we start trending back upwards However, there is always the possibility of future correction. All right, guys. So we can see here on the RSI, we came down to about 22 when that red candlestick came all the way down here. We bounced right back up, and we're sitting at about 34 on the RSI right now. So hopefully we see that buying action that brings us back up to 43,271, and then our next price target after that would be 47,473 for Bitcoin. Now, if it were to correct further, we do have that bottom here, guys, that we came down to at about 30K. Yeah, about 30K. So hopefully we don't see that, but it's of course a possibility. All right, guys. So let's give some short-term price targets here for BitTorrent. So if we continue to march onwards and break out of this double bottom here, we can start trending towards 0.005. And if we're able to turn that into support, we can come up to we can come up here to about 0.0058 for BitTorrent. And then if we do roll over, we have that support on that bottom here at about 0.003. And let's kind of look back on the chart. Let's put it onto the 1 day. The 1 hour is too many candles. Put it back onto the 1 day and see where we could find support if we were to continue to roll over. Yeah, so right here at about 0.0039, previous level of resistance, we could rest on that previous swing high. And then if we come down, we do have a swing high down here at 0.0025. That's if Bitcoin were to sell off more, but hopefully what we see is that buying action that brings us back up to 0.005 and then 0.0058. We need to get back above the EMAs here. Quickly put it onto the 4-hour chart. Yeah, we need to get back above the EMAs and turn them back into support before we start seeing some real signs that we're going to start trending back upwards for BitTorrent and for Bitcoin as well, guys. All right, so quick shout out to the Discord, guys. We have our own room for BitTorrent, Tron, and Wink, and they're posting news and they're chatting it up here mostly about BitTorrent. And then we have rooms for all our popular coins: 88, Ankr, BTT, Tron, Wink, Dent, Enjin, Mana, Hot One, Polygon, SCMX, Safemoon, Vet, VRA, XRP, as well as many other awesome chat rooms. You can check it out: Juicy Crypto Chat, Stock Chat, Penny Chalk Chat, price of a coffee, great way to support the channel, and over 1,000 members, great community, guys. So if you got any value, please smash that like button, subscribe, turn on notifications if you're new. You can follow me on Instagram, Twitter. You can join the Discord, Patreon link in the bio, and I'll see you in the next one. Much love. Take care.